Introduction to biogeochemical cycles, the fundamental processes of life. First up, the water cycle, where water evaporates, condenses, and precipitates. Next, the carbon cycle, how carbon moves through the atmosphere, biosphere, and geosphere. The nitrogen cycle is crucial for plant growth and soil health. Phosphorus cycle shows how phosphorus is vital for energy transfer in living organisms. All these cycles are interconnected and affect each other significantly. Human activities impact these cycles, leading to environmental changes. Climate change alters the natural flows of these cycles. Restoring balance is critical for the health of our planet. Understanding these cycles helps us make informed decisions for a sustainable future.